Stuart Carter here from Howard's Hyundai and Peugeot in Dorchester. I'm just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai Tucson. This particular one is a 1.6 TGDI petrol, 177 brake horsepower premium with the 7-speed DCT automatic gearbox. Now the vehicle's in stellar blue metallic, which as you can see is a beautiful metallic. This is registered September 2018 on a 68 plate and has currently done 14 miles. So it's registered directly to Hyundai Motor Company first off. If you'd like to come and have a look at the car, please pop down to London Road in Dorchester or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoyed the video.